Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm glad you could join me again. Super excited to be able to be making another video for you guys. Today I've got some red, white, and pink that I had mixed up. I essentially did this because today is the 13th and tomorrow will be Valentine's Day. But this is going to be posted probably after Valentine's Day. But I'll get some good pictures for you for Valentine's Day. So yeah, that's a fail on me for this go around. But I wanted to do a swipe. I don't know why it has been eating at me, but I want to do a swipe so bad. Puddle pours and swipes are my favorite, and I haven't done a swipe in forever. So I'm going to try doing a swipe with a plastic bag, and I want to go from the middle to the edge. I don't like a lot of paint piled up on here, so that's why I'm going to go to do the middle to the edge, and hopefully get as much off as I can while getting the effect that I want. And here, I know I said that I would show you the dried results from the last pour in the last video, but I actually made these into 2 videos. So these are the dried results from the past 2 videos. So just don't believe anything I say anymore. But they dried perfectly fine. There's no cracks, there's no crazing. And like I said, I stand by my water and glue. I love it. It helps bind the paint, and it's just an extra additive in there in case I don't add enough of the matte medium, and I just like it. This acts as my pouring medium. This is just a much cheaper way of doing it so that I don't have to buy it. But there's that one and this one. They dried perfectly fine, like I said. They just need to be coated with a varnish, and I use a spray varnish to do that. I'm thinking about putting some holographic glitter on them. I think it will look really good, like this one. I put some glitter on these. These are the ones that cracked and crazed, and this one has some micro beads on it. And I'm okay with this one. And this one I put some glitter on and some pearls. I don't really like this one, but you know, maybe I'll find something else to do with it. I'm not sure yet. But I think that glitter would look really good on these. So today is a swipe. And here we go. Oh, and what I have in my paint is, this is Apple Barrel White and Apple Barrel Bright Magenta. And then Folk Art Lipstick Red, because that's the red that I saw and I grabbed it. A little bit of paint in each cup. Got water and glue in there. Way too much silicone oil. And matte medium. And after I swipe it, I'm going to torch it if I need to and see what happens. There's a lot of lacing, like a ton. That's really all it is lacing. It's okay. I'm not a huge fan. So this will probably, I think I'm going to turn this into a puddle pour because I'm not 100% happy with this. So. The bag looks great. There we go. That's what I like to see. And once again, puddle pour didn't fail me, so it's just the way I mix my paints. It works better with a puddle pour. But I think it's cute. It's very different from what I do. You know, there's a lot of fading. There's not a lot of solid, bright colors in there, but I like it. I think it looks good. I'm going to clean up the edges. I think this one would be good with some glitter on it too, because I think everything looks better when it sparkles. I'll get some close-ups of this for you guys. They will be on my Instagram. Let me know if you want me to post them to my Instagram. I know it's easier for everybody to just go there and view the images, or if you want me to post one, you know, for you at the end of the video or something like that, I can do that. It's just a lot quicker for me to post them to Instagram. But whatever works best for y'all, let me know. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!